your exams went well, okay, and you did your best. Now let's continue with our topic, as we have started the second chapter. Until that we have studied the balanced diet, and in that we have studied that if we are not following the proper balanced diet in our regular day-to-day life, then it may cause certain diseases, that is the obesity. Clear? So till obesity we have studied. Now today we are going to study the last topic of this chapter, that is the deficiency of the disease. Deficiency disease. Now deficiency, the meaning of deficiency means what? To lacking of. If I am taking only the fat items, either the protein components of the food, then what about the other nutrients of the food? It means what about the carbohydrate, what about the water, what about the mineral and vitamins. So if we are taking only one kind of food, that is if we are taking only junk food, so do we get all kind of nutrients from the junk food? No, right? So for that we need to take a balanced diet. And deficiency means what? कि आपने डॉक्टर्स के पास से भी सुना होगा कि आप में कैल्शियम की कमी है, कि आप में आयरन नहीं है, आपको प्रोटीन की डेफिशिएंसी है, आपकी बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं है, सो कि वो आपकी बॉडी में वो जो प्रोटीन का जो लेवल होना चाहिए वो है नहीं. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ डेफिशिएंसी. नाउ द डिजीज. Due to the lacking of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, it causes certain diseases into the human body. Okay, जितना फैट जरूरी है उतना ही प्रोटीन एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी इतना जरूरी है, as compared to vitamins and mineral also. So let's be study what are the deficiency diseases given in your textbook, because there are list of deficiency disease caused by the nutrients. Now what do you mean by first deficiency? If you are taking only one kind of components of the food, that is if you are taking the continue over a long period of time, the person may suffer is deficiency. अगर आप प्रोटीन ले रहे हो तो फिर कार्बोहाइड्रेट का लेवल जो है, विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स का लेवल है, वो बॉडी में कम हो जाएगा. एंड that level cause the deficiency over a long period of time. Now deficiency disease, the disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency disease. Deficiency that occur due to a lack of nutrients. The deficiency occur by the lack of nutrients. Clear? Over a long period of time are called deficiency disease. Now if a person does not get enough proteins in her or in his or her food, either in his or her balanced diet for a long period of time, so they likely to have a stunted growth. Stunted, it means what? At a particular time, at the long period of time, वो ग्रोथ होना हमारी बॉडी का बंद हो जाएगा. कि प्रॉपरली ऐसा नहीं कि स्टॉप हो जाएगा, कि ग्रोथ जो है वो लिमिटेड हो जाएगा. जितना हमारी बॉडी जितना ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए उतना होगा नहीं. इफ द पर्सन डज नॉट गेट इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन और एनी काइंड और एनी अदर न्यूट्रिएंट. The swelling of face, discoloration of hair. Now what kind of changes you will see when you will not get enough kind of nutrients? So what kind of changes you can see? The discoloration of hair. It means your hair color turns to white. and swelling of face. Your face will become swelled. And skin diseases, you will be having these skin rashes on your skin, and diarrhea, that is the vomiting and stomachache. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein, now let's be focused on the carbohydrate and protein. If whatever the food you are taking on the regular basis, if that food does not contain the protein and carbohydrate, so what happened? So after a several period of time, your body growth may stop completely, and such person become a lean and thin and so weak that they may not be even able to move. It means what? The lean or thin, पतले भी हो जाएंगे, रूखे सूखे हो जाएंगे. You may have seen such kind of person that you will see their skeletal system. Okay, आप उसको बाहर से उसकी वो पिंजरा दिखता है. Now deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders, because as we have studied in the vitamins and minerals that vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A plays a major role in our body. Apart from that, the minerals, the one mineral we have studied, that is the calcium. The calcium is very much important for our body because it helps in the bones, teeth, hair, nails, etc. Okay, so what happens if the deficiency may occur from by the vitamins and minerals? There are certain diseases mentioned here. Let's see. Vitamin A. If your body will not get vitamin A, so which type of disease will cause? The lose of vision. It means आपको eyesight की problem हो सकती है. Okay. What are the symptoms for that? The poor vision. You will not see the clearly and the lose of vision in the darkness. आपको darkness अंधेरे में कुछ भी दिखेगा नहीं. But if the daytime is there, then you can see. But that one is also the poor vision. Sometimes completely loss of vision. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि continuously अगर ऐसे 3, 4, 5 साल चला, विटामिन ए मिला ही नहीं आपकी बॉडी को, then at that time you will lose the completely vision. Now vitamin B1, अगर विटामिन B1 की डेफिशिएंसी होगी तो उससे बेरी डिजीज होगी. And what are the symptoms? Weak muscles and very little energy to work. आपको कोई भी आप काम करोगे तो जल्दी थक जाओगे. Okay, your body become weak. Vitamin C, scurvy, the bleeding gums. Bleeding gums, it means what? कि आपके टूथ में, दांत में जो गम्स होते हैं वो उसमें से खून जो ब्लीडिंग गम्स, इट मीन्स व्हाट कि आपके टूथ में से खून निकलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. एंड वोंट टेक लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील. इफ यू गेटिंग इंजर्ड तो आपको वो अच्छे से जल्दी से वो रिकवर होता नहीं. इट टेक्स टू लॉन्ग टाइम. नाउ इफ there is a deficiency of vitamin D, what happen? You cause rickets disease. आप rickets नाम की डिजीज हो सकती है. एंड bones become soft and bend. आपके जो bones है वो bend हो जाएंगे और एकदम soft हो जाएंगे. Then calcium. If there is a deficiency of calcium in our body, what happens? The bones and tooth decay, and the symptoms are also same. The big bones and tooth decay. It means आपको tooth pain होगा, tooth में bleeding होगा. This all. Then if there is a deficiency of iodine, now you must be knowing that from which sources we get the iodine? The salt. Okay, the salt, if you are taking the too much excess salt in your diet, then it may cause the deficiency. Either it may cause the problem in like heart diseases and blood pressure. Okay, so due to the deficiency of iodine, if you are not taking salt as your body want, अगर आपको जितनी हमारी बॉडी की ज़रूरियात है उस ज़रूरियात के हिसाब से आप सॉल्ट नहीं लेते हो तो क्या होता है, तो गोइटर हो सकता है। गोइटर इट मीन्स व्हाट, द swelling of this neck region. The glands in the neck appear swollen and mental disability in children. In children में बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्टिव होता है ये mental disability in children. And the last is the iron. If there is a deficiency of iron, then what happens? The anemia. Okay, anemia नाम की disease. Nowadays it is very common because we people are only focusing. We people are only eating the outside food. We are not taking the homemade food. But ये कोरोना की वजह से सब पीपल जो है वो अवेयर हो गए कि नहीं, हमें हेल्दी फूड लेना चाहिए. वी शुड अवॉइड द आउटसाइड और जंक फूड. ओके, सो आयरन वो जो है डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ डिजीज कॉज बाय द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयरन, दैट इज एनीमिया और वीकनेसेस. आपकी बॉडी में वो वीकनेस ही रहेगा. नाउ all deficiency disease can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. These all diseases can be prevented through our food only. But the thing is that we need to take a proper balanced diet. It means that all the nutrients should be in an equal proportion. Then only all the diseases can be prevented through the food. Okay. In this chapter, we ask ourselves the reason why widely varied food from a different region had a common distribution, because as we are living in a such country where the varieties of state, caste, religion people are living. Okay, even their food habit is also different. If you are visited to Maharashtra, Mumbai, okay, that side the vada pav, idli, these are the famous items. If you are go to the south, okay, तो rice से बनी हुई fish curry, rice, these are the food items are famous. Okay, according to the region we have the varieties of food items. Okay, now the distribution we find to ensure that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. Though we get the different food items, different food dishes according to the region, but all the food dishes provides us equal amount of nutrition in our body. Dear students, so here we end this chapter, that is chapter number 2. Now I'll send the exercise in your class WhatsApp group. You will have to write it down in your notebook. Even you will have to prepare this exercise by your own self. Okay, so let's meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you all. God bless you.